Hey kids, welcome to the New Look Cool Tool Tuesday here in the new showroom at Timbecon. I'm Phil Schimbine, and this week we're going to be talking about Bow Products 123 EVA foam blocks. We're not entirely sure what these are even actually for, but they are very solid foam bricks that do not lose their shape when you hack through them. They do not lose their shape when you compress them. They spring back out eventually. What they are great for is getting your workpieces up off the bench when you cut through them. These will not mar your work surface, which is very handy if you're doing restoration work. And don't worry, this color will not transfer whatsoever. You will not have green surfaces on what you are making, unless you paint them green. They are 6x6 squares, whatever 6 inches is nowadays. They come in 3 convenient sizes in the packaging, 1, 2, and 3 inches, or for those of you who don't live in the 1950s, that's 25 and not quite a half, not quite 51, and 76.2. You can stack the 1 on the 2 and have them this way, or if you need more support or more height, you can place them on the bench thusly and spread out the weight that way. If you don't have a workbench and you are like the hobbyist DIY type of maker builder that is building things on the kitchen table, these are fantastic. You put them down, you cut through what you're doing, and you don't cut a line through your kitchen table and get in trouble with, whoever owns the table. But I'm sure you guys can come up with far more uses for this than we can. That being said, I took some of these home for about a week or so and just had a bit of a play, and these are some of the things that I came up with. There's some of the ideas that we've come up with here, and I've come up with at home. Let us know down in the comments what you come up with, or better yet, film it, put it on Instagram and tag us. We love to see that stuff. These are the 123 EVA foam blocks by Bow Products. I'm Phil Schimbine. Everything you need to know about these can be found down below in the doobly-doo or on our website, timbecon.com.au. If you're new here, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And I guess I'll see you next week. Wait, where do I go now? There's no vice in my junk. What's happening? I'm so confused. Guys, I'm lost!